Hi folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Unemotional Trader. Today I would be focusing on two very important patterns. One, the bullish engulfing pattern, and second, the bearish engulfing pattern. So let's quickly start off. Let's assume there is a stock ABC who has been moving in a downtrend. Alright. And then at the very bottom of this downtrend, you will see a bearish candle. And just after this bearish candle, you will see a bullish candle. You'll see a bullish candle whose body would be bigger than the body of this bearish candle. So it basically engulfs the bearish candle, and henceforth the name, the bullish engulfing pattern. Alright, what it represents is that the price might start going up from here on. The stock has a buying interest in the market from here on, and a rally could start from here. The psychology behind this pattern is that the bears had been able to control the stock from lately, but while formation of this green candle, a sudden buying interest emerged in the market for this particular stock, and the bulls were able to bring the price from this point to this point, right? The stock closed at this very point, higher than the last opening as well as closing points, right? So it's very important, and this pattern generally works as well. Similarly, when a stock ABC is in an uptrend, right, and then a formation of a bullish candle happens, post which formation of a bearish candle happens whose body is bigger than the body of the bullish candle. This represents a bearish engulfing pattern, and what it represents is that the price might start going down from here on, so you need to short this stock. So let me talk about the entry and stop loss. So for bullish engulfing pattern, you need to enter right here at the closing point of this bullish engulfing candle. All right, and your stop loss would be the low point, this point, stop loss and entry. And for bearish engulfing pattern, you would short the stock at this particular price point, the closing price of the bearish engulfing candle, and your stop loss would be the high point. This is the stop loss, this is the entry point. Alright, so let me now quickly show you a live example of a bearish engulfing pattern formed in Eicher Motors. Alright, so this is a daily time frame chart of Eicher Motors, and if you see on this date is somewhere in December, if you notice this particular pattern, just a second, this particular pattern. All right, if you see closely, the bearish candle has completely engulfed the bullish candle, and that is why this was the onset of a bearish trend in the stock, the downtrend of the stock, and you could have taken entry right here and took an exit somewhere here, right? So this could have been your target. So I hope you like this live example and how this pattern works in real markets. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts, and do not forget to subscribe the channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.